Chapter 13. Pushed to the limit. Mason was not just strong, he was like a monster, someone who seemed too powerful to be real. As soon as the fight began, Mason ran forward very quickly, like a bull running at full speed, and he threw a very strong punch with his right hand. Jake did not have much time to move or protect himself, and the punch hit him hard in the ribs, making his whole body shake with pain. For the first time in his life, Jake felt real pain, the kind of pain that made it hard to breathe and made his legs feel weak. Mason smiled in a mean way and said, "You are not so strong now, are you?" Jake tried to stand still even though his body was shaking, and he was breathing very hard, almost gasping for air, while his vision became blurry and unclear. But even though he was hurt, Jake took one step forward, showing that he was not ready to give up. Mason looked annoyed and said, "You are still standing." Jake did not say anything back, but instead, he tried to hit Mason with a punch, using all the strength he had left. Mason moved out of the way easily, like it was nothing, and then he hit Jake with a very hard punch to the chin, making a loud cracking sound. Jake's head snapped back from the force of the punch, and blood started to drip from his nose, falling onto the ground. The referee was watching everything closely, ready to stop the fight if it became too dangerous for Jake. But Jake was still standing, even though he was hurt badly, and the people watching the fight were shocked and surprised. One person in the crowd said, "What is wrong with this guy? Why is he still standing?" Logan, who was watching from the corner, said quietly, "Kid, if you do not fight back soon, you will die here." Jake's body was in a lot of pain, and his muscles felt like they were on fire. But something deep inside him refused to let him stop or give up. He would not fall down, no matter how much it hurt. Not here, not now.